now tuned into the greatest.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. It's been forever. I really don't have time to update on everything. Obviously, you see a lot of empty boxes. I pretty much sold like 30 pairs out of the collection that haven't been worn in a year or two. Just no point. Retros from 2013, 2014 that haven't been worn. I really don't want them to crumble because they're not getting worn. So, they found new homes, but that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to update you guys from the last video I think I made on this channel, which has been a while, but it's the $20 Yeezy slides. I said Kanye was scamming. It turns out it was not a scam. It turns out he's actually shipping these. What I will say is this is some of the worst business I think I've ever seen in terms of I ordered 5 pairs and I think it was exactly 3 months ago. I think they were all in August. Ordered 5 pairs for $100 total. I got no shipping, no confirmation, no emails, just silence. Press order, money comes out, no silence. Very weird. I can't think of another online business that would ever do that. Like, I think I've had an online shop for 10 years. I can't even imagine not communicating with someone ever. One of the 5 shoes did arrive. So, maybe I'm not getting scammed. Maybe it's just a 3-month process. You never get any information and they'll just show up one day. Showed up, by the way, in this, just a bag, just a shipping bag. Looks like it says contact and it gives me an address in Illinois. But it's definitely from a different country because I can see the other shipping label. So it's just like some forwarding service they're using. So I don't know where these shoes are coming from. I don't know what country they're coming from, but looks like maybe China. But yeah, they're shipping from a different country. So yeah, they came in that. Also, no box, just came in this dust bag. Really basic, very cheap dust bag. And it even gives you the Yeezy or YS01. I don't know. No one knows. And then they showed up like this. This was one of the 5 pairs that I ordered. This is a size 12, all black Yeezy slide. First impressions, they feel different than the Adidas Yeezy slide. They do feel different. They don't look that much different, but they do. And I don't know how to really explain it, so I'll try my best to just give looks. But this is a worn pair. I have worn this quite a bit. This is the worn pair of Adidas Yeezy slide. Adidas, size 12. These are the same size. And first off, you can notice this one is bigger. It fits like, says it's a 12, it fits more like a 12 and a half, 13. So if you are buying these $20 ones, you'll probably have to go a size, what is that, size down. So instead of a 12, I should have ordered an 11 because this one fits more like a size 12. This one fits like a 12 and a half, 13. So take that for whatever you want. And just in terms of the color, this is actually a better black. This kind of always felt like a, this feels like the Jordan 4 Black Cat black, where it's like a little ashy, like maybe we need to rub some lotion on these. So yeah, this is what I'm saying. It feels different. The material feels, I do like the material better on the Adidas pair. It feels a lot better, and actually when you put it on, it's a little bit more comfortable. Just a little bit. So there is a difference. It's not the same shoe. I know some people in the comments were saying it's gonna be the same thing. They're just taking the Adidas thing on. It's not the same shoe for sure. Looks like they use, well, obviously they're selling it for 20 bucks. So they're probably making these for, I don't know. For my job, I've dealt with some overseas manufacturers and stuff like that. They're probably making these for 50 cents each, maybe less. So the material's not great. They're a little big. They look huge on my foot. They look huge. I don't know if I'll be able to even show, but they look big. But other than that, it is a Yeezy slide. So, I mean, at the end of the day, they'll look different than if you have Adidas pairs, or if you're just looking at them, people will be like, those look a little interesting. These are the straight from Yeezy slides. So, yeah. I do like the color, I will say that. I do like the color, and shape is still somewhat the same. Somewhat. You see it's a little higher. Again, these have been worn, but a little higher. That's maybe why it fits so much bigger, because this hole is, yeah. But yeah. I just wanted to update you guys, because I'm not just going to leave it as it's a scam. So it's not a scam. You'll get your shoe maybe eventually. I don't know when the other 4 are showing up. Again, no emails, no nothing. I heard some people say they charged back their card and got their money back. So I'm assuming those won't ship. If they, I mean, knowing how they're doing their order system, they might still get the pairs if they charge back. I don't know. But other than that, if you want to just order a $20 slide, it's not the greatest quality. You can find better slides you can find better slides. You won't find a better slide for 20 bucks, but Adidas runs a lot of sales. Like, there's some Adidas slides on the website right now that are like 30, 40 bucks. They probably will feel better than this and be more comfortable. But again, a lot of people want the Yeezy brand and want to be like, I'm wearing Yeezy slides. And some Yeezy slides are still on StockX for $100, $150, just depending on the color. So these get real popular spring, summer. So right now, yeah, I mean, it's a decent value. You wait your 90 days, no confirmation. I don't know when the other colors are shipping. Maybe the black ones are a little easier, so maybe that's why these showed up faster. But yeah, $20 Yeezy slides. Not a scam, I guess. So, I don't know. But I might be back with that Jordan 4. We might just take a look at those. I got, I think, 3 pairs coming. Not even anything crazy. Then Gamma 11s soon. So, yeah. It's the shoe game. State of the shoe game. $20. It's better than this $240 I just dropped on some Jordan 4 black cat, ashy cats. So, yeah. Well, it was fun. Just like old times.